Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can change location in Yubo. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Yubo app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, you need to go to your profile. And from profile, go to this gear icon on the top right corner. And now go to safety and privacy. Once you are over here, you'll be having this location option. Just go over here. So currently it's toggled off. So once you toggle it on, your new location will be revealed and it will be updated. So it's basically the location will change before how it was. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.